indulgence being um, not a good thing. Um, and I guess most of us do understand that. So I'm taking a very simple and probably a very relevant example here: Netflixing and chilling.
Hmm.
You have your weekend, you sit with your um, bowl of chips and probably drinks,
Hmm.
and Netflix and chill.
Hmm.
But that small break that you want to take, you don't really realize when that converts into binge watching.
Yeah.
And from a place of um, controlled activity, when
Hmm.
does that actually become an uncontrolled one, which is binging and which is unhealthy, clearly.
Hmm.
So, how does one learn to move from a place of indulgence slash binging to a more equanimous state of being, or to a more centered sense of activity?
Hmm.
There is an element of knowing when to stop, or not wanting to use the word control in a negative way, but really trying to use control
Hmm.
in the sense of bringing centeredness. How
Hmm.
does one go about doing that?
Awareness is the only
Because I
way.
believe beauty is in the middle, not on the extremes.
Yeah. Yeah. True. Uh, Here again, the answer to your question is awareness. If you do anything with absolute awareness to it, with absolute love to it, then you will be satiated in probably the first few morsels of it. If you are unaware, if there is a film that you're watching and at the same time you are on the phone speaking to somebody and that movie just passes by, so you will keep on. But if you're completely there, you're watching the movie just to watch the movie with absolute awareness that I am here for this purpose. Once that comes in, then automatically the rest will be taken care of. You'll be satiated in that one episode. You'll relish it so much that that would be enough for you because that will fill you up. There's a beautiful exercise for people who have addictions to certain things. You know, you love that thing so much. If you want to quit that, you love that thing so much that every, say again, if it is somebody who's an alcoholic, you love that alcohol drink so much that you every sip becomes a part of you. You do it with absolute awareness. You meditatively do it. When you start doing that, automatically that state of bliss and contentment will fill you so much that you would not require it after that last drink. After that, you can just drop it because you're so full of that.